Hello everyone, welcome to MS Update Webcast. In this video, we will set up an Office 365 E3 trial account which we will use in Exchange Online video series. If you want to create and manage mailboxes in Exchange Online and want to use Office 365, before you can do that, you have to set up an Office 365 tenant and configure the tenant after that. The good thing is that you can create an Office 365 tenant without credit card and with a 30-day free trial including 25 licenses. It is great that we can create an Office 365 tenant trial for 30 days before we start paying for the licenses. In this video, we will create an Office 365 tenant trial account. To do so, you need to open the web browser of your choice. In my case, already I have opened Microsoft Edge web browser. Let's search for Office 365 E3. Let's press Enter key. Now let's click on this link Office 365 E3. Here we can see brief information about Office 365 E3. If you want to buy the licenses right now, then you need to click on Buy Now. And for a free trial account, you simply need to click on Free Trial. We will finish the complete process in total 4 steps. Here, you need to enter the email address that you want to configure with Office 365 account. After providing the email address, you need to click on the Next button. Now let's click on Setup Account. Now provide the details about your first name, last name, business phone number, company name, company size, and country or region. After providing the required details, now I'm going to click on Next. Here we need to complete the verification process. So specify the valid mobile number on which you are going to receive OTP code. We have total 2 options to complete the verification, by verification OTP code or by call. I'm going with verification OTP code. So text me options is already selected and we have earlier provided the phone number. Now let's click on send verification code to send the OTP code on that given mobile number. Okay, let's enter the verification code and click on verify to complete the verification. Here we will provide a business identity name. This is going to be our Office 365 tenant name. Keep in mind that once we set up the Office 365 tenant name, we cannot change the name. Whatever name you will provide, it will check and let you know if the domain name or tenant name is available or not. In our case, I'm going to specify Clarix. And let's check for the availability by clicking on Check Availability button. As we can see, the domain name clarix.onmicrosoft.com is available. Let's click on Next to proceed. In this step, it will ask us to create a user for our Office 365 tenant. The user will be the tenant administrator and the account will have all the access in Office 365 tenant. Let's enter the username, cladmin, let's enter the password. And let's click on sign up. We can see the message that Microsoft is creating your account. Please do not refresh the page. We can see another message, signing you in, please do not refresh the page. And perfect. Our Office 365 trial account is ready and now we can start using this account. At this point, we have successfully signed up for an Office 365 E3 trial account. Now let's click on Get Started for the next step. This is the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. From this portal, we can manage our Office 365 tenant. In the first step, it is asking us to install Office on our computer. You can download and install Office setup for your device now. And for that, simply you need to click on Office app, and that will start downloading the required setups. We can also reach the Microsoft 365 Admin Center page by going directly to https://admin.microsoft.com. Let me show you that. Let's type the URL https://admin.microsoft.com. Now let's press enter key. And as you can see, we are on Microsoft 365 Admin Center web page. Let's go back to the earlier page because the setup was there. First, I'm not going to download the Office setup files right now. So I'm going to click on continue. And if you have any custom domain, you can add your custom domain here. And for that, simply you need to enter your domain name. Since this is a trial account and I'm using this account only for video tutorial, I'm going to use the default one, which is clarex.onmicrosoft.com for now. Okay? Use this domain, and at any point you can exit from the setup by clicking here. Suppose if you want to add users right now during the process, that time you have 24 licenses, and you can create users right now and you can assign the license to the user as well. We are not going to create a user right now because I'll create one separate video on how we can add users in Office 365. So again, I'm going to click on to this later. See, remember this is only a one-time task. Fine. Okay, now let's click on continue again. And here we have information about Microsoft Teams. Your new subscription also includes Microsoft Teams. So inform the people about Microsoft Teams as well. I'm going to click on continue. Okay, and the setup is completed successfully. Let me give 5-star, great, and if you want to enter comment here, you can. Let's click on submit. Let's click on go to the admin center. And this is the screen which we have seen earlier. We'll see this screen right now. Let's click on billings and click on your products. We can see our product name is Office 365 E3 Trial. Assign license 1 and purchase quantity is 25. Our subscription is going to expire on 27th August 2021. Let's click on show all. And here we can see other centers, admin centers are there. Security, compliance, Azure Active Directory, Exchange Admin Center, SharePoint Admin Center, and Microsoft Teams Admin Center. So from this link, you can access that admin center as well. Suppose if you want to manage your Exchange online setup, that time you simply need to click on this Exchange, and that will take you to Exchange Admin Center web page. Let me show you that. Let's click on Exchange. And this is new Exchange Admin Center. Let me close it. You can see already we have created one user account and which we have created during the process of creating trial account. You can see the username is there, Manhar Rakhulia, and the email address is there, cladmin@clarex.onmicrosoft.com. As we haven't provided any default domain name in our Office 365 tenant, clarex.onmicrosoft.com will be used as an email address suffix for all the mailboxes. Fine. So let me close it. So this is the Microsoft 365 Admin Center from where you can manage your Office 365 tenant. So we have successfully set up our Microsoft 365 E3 trial account, which will available free of cost for next 30 days. So that's all for this video. Thank you all for watching this video. Have a nice day.